Hi, and welcome back again to another session. At this point, let's discuss about the do-while loop. Okay, the do-while loop starts with the reserved keyword do, and then we need to do something with here, this cycle, if the condition is being met. Okay, so it's simple like that. So if we do a counter such as before under the previous while loop session, what we need to do is do it like this. Okay, counter, say 10, count. Okay, oops, and then say number, and the number which we're going to output is counter, right? And then put every in each number in a new line, and then just increment it because of the loop. Okay, so basically we will get from 0 to 0, and then we'll get +1. It's going to be 1. It's going to come right here, check the condition is met, and then it will actually come back again, and so on and so on. All right, so just keep that in mind. All right, so no, not count, but counter. I saw something was wrong immediately. So when we run now the compiler, what's going to happen is the following, obviously. Okay, so we have a counter, the same as the while loop. The interesting part about this cycle right here, do while, is that this loop will execute at least once, no matter if the condition is being met or not. Okay, and this is happening just because the execution happens right here, and then incrementation and the while logic occurs after this is being printed out. Okay, so that's why this is happening. Let's do a little more complex again do while loop. If we have an array, I usually use the same one just for the sake of simplicity, right? 5, 6, just to show you how this is done. Let's just do it like this way, right? Do while, right? And then while, and there we go. And I will introduce an I right here for counting this time. This is number. Okay, and so we'll say while number less or equal, while number less or equal, then what? Then I would say 5. I, okay, well, there we go, so that's fine. Print out the elements, which is a number, obviously, number, right? Then I, and then print everything in a new line while incrementing it. It's already met. So I will just delete this guy right here, just not to confuse anybody else. As you can see, okay, so we were able to print out the elements, all 5 elements which belong to the integer array number. Okay,